Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Christine. I will list all my socials down below. I hope everyone had a great holiday and Happy New Year to everyone. For the Christmas holiday, I went to go visit my mom and just enjoy family time without any social media, without anything. So I really just wanted to just enjoy my time there. We had a blast and I'm finally back home. So you know what that means. I'm here to make more videos. Now, of course, you guys know I am in my closet, so that means it is another Crocs video. I wanted to show you guys what I purchased since the last time I saw you, and we're going to be decorating those Crocs. And I think I have like one more redesigning my Crocs video, and then I'll be pretty much happy with what I have. So I think my next video, if it's not going to be redesigning my last pair of Crocs, it's going to be another Crocs video because someone in one of my subscribers had mentioned that they want to see how I wear my Crocs, like what outfits and how do I wear it. The only reason why I haven't done that any sooner is because if you guys haven't seen in my previous videos, I did mention that I was getting off of birth control because it was making me gain too much weight. So now that I'm finally off of it and I feel like my appetite and everything is getting back to normal, I started losing weight to the point that pretty much everything in my closet doesn't fit me. So because I went on a recent trip to visit my mom, I wanted to buy just little clothes here and there, like over a week's worth, just so that way it fits me well, because everything that I have in my closet currently is baggy. So that's probably gonna be another video where I show you guys those outfits, including the one that I have on, but I'll show you guys how I wear my Crocs. So it'll be either that video or a redesigning video. Then after that video, I'm going to do kind of a refresher video showing you guys my Croc collection, because I moved a lot of gibbets around and I want you guys to see them all in its entirety, so you guys will see everything. So those will be the 3 videos coming up, as well as probably some makeup videos. So I have a lot going on and a lot that I want to situate myself and a lot of videos that I want to create, so you guys will see them in the upcoming days to weeks. With that being said, let's start this video. Now I wanted to show you guys the new Crocs that I purchased, and that was these. Really cute color. We actually found these in one of the locations here in San Diego. So I'm really excited about these. I don't have this color, so I'm excited. Along with that, I did get some gibbets. What I'm going to do is I'll show you guys once I have the camera directed to the Crocs. Along with that, I purchased some Croc socks. Now, these are not my first time purchasing Croc socks. I actually love them. If you guys haven't tried them, you definitely should. They're super comfortable. Even like if you're not going to wear them with Crocs, they're comfortable. They're amazing. They're a really nice material. They breathe well. I love them. So I actually got this set because I feel like it kind of goes like with these. So this is a set of 3. So we have this pair here. We have this pair here, which is nice, simple gray and black. And then we have this one, which is kind of my favorite. This is the purple and the blue. So I feel like this would like totally go. Actually, any one of these will go. So I'm really excited about these. And I'm going to redirect my camera just so you guys can see. We're going to start decorating these Crocs. So let's get started. Okay, so now that you see these are the Crocs up close and personal. Okay, so see, these are the gibbets that I have for it. So I have some New Year gibbets, this and this. Of course, I have some gems that I think will go really well. This, you know, is from my previous purchase. This was in my turquoise Crocs, which will be the last Crocs that we redesigned. This as well, this and this as well. Now, I might not use these for this, but I figure I'd take it out just in case because I feel like it'll go with it. So this is what I'm working with so far. And let's begin to design them. Okay, so you know I like to start with the big ones first. I'm going to start with maybe this one. You guys know I work from the top down. So maybe this in the middle. And then maybe this here. You guys know I like to color coordinate. And then Ren and Stimpy, I feel like have to be close to each other. So we'll put this one on this side. Okay, that kind of goes cute. Another big one would be this one. So maybe this one here. And then, of course, the Happy New Year little headband here. Go together. And then, let's see, maybe him here. Just because I like the characters all in the same line here. Then maybe this one. See, I can't put this here because it's too close. It's going to clutter it. So maybe right here. Or maybe in the bottom. No, you know what? Let me leave this one for last, just in case, because I feel like I'm going to keep moving it around. I feel like this would go better on this shoe. So let me see. Maybe here. Like that, I guess. And then red one, you kind of want to put it with the red here. So it goes. Let's see, maybe this gummy can go here. Okay, and then I feel like this can go near this Ren or Stimpy. I think this one's Stimpy, so this one's Ren. I feel like it can go here because it kind of goes with the whole beige theme here on this side. So let me see, maybe that's gonna look a little cluttered. Maybe here. Oh my god, when they're new, they're so hard to put on. Okay, and maybe a ready little gem somewhere over here. Thinking. Kind of want to spread it out. Like I don't want to put too much red next to each other. So maybe over here. Like that. And let's see, let's work a little more on this side. I'm thinking maybe this. Oh my God. Maybe that there. And then to go with the green theme, let me see if I can put this flower somewhere. So maybe here. And then I have some more green. Maybe this here. Put it on the side so it goes with the shape of the shoe. It looks cute. Okay. I have a green little gem. So maybe right here. Like that. That looks cute so far. I have a yellow gem, so maybe I'm thinking to go with Arnold's yellow hair. Let's put it here. Okay, I think that looks cute so far. I'm liking the direction it's going in. Let's see, maybe this. I kind of think this matches with Ren. So maybe this down here. That was hard to get on there. Hopefully, I like the way it looks there because I don't want to take it out and put it somewhere else. But yeah, I think that looks cute there. Okay. And what else? I have a black gem here. I'm thinking to go next to this one. Okay. I think that looks good so far. And then I have a yellow and a red gem left. So I don't want to put the red one here because I feel like it already has another red gem here. So I'm going to mix it up a bit. I'm going to put this yellow one here like that. That's cute. And then, okay. So I think that is it. Now, if I go to the Crocs store, which most likely, I go there often, if I do see anything that would fit in these little areas, then I will get them. And you guys will see them in my updated full Croc collection video. But I think this is amazing so far. I like the way it looks. Comment down below if you guys like it as well. So that is it, guys. I completed these Crocs. I think they look so cute. I can't wait to wear them. And I do see a little space in some areas, but I don't have any that would complement these without messing the other ones up. So I might go to the Croc store and see if there's maybe more gems. If not, either way, you'll see it in the updated Crocs video that I will be posting after I do my redesigning my turquoise Crocs and showing you guys how I wear my Crocs. So either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this little decorating my Crocs with me video. I hope you guys like the way these look. And with that being said, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.